Hello dear students, our lesson for today we are going to talk about multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions by each other or multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Open our booklet page 26. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, they are asking you to multiply, then write the answer in the simplest form. This time they are giving this question, they are giving you to multiply a whole number by a fraction. Okay, let's remember together that we said when we have any whole number, we are going to make its denominator 1 to change it in a fraction form. Then we are going to simplify, okay, up by down in this way, by the cross way, okay. If the cross way are not together in any timetable, I can simplify up and down together in the same fraction. As we said in class, we have two ways. You can multiply then simplify, or it's much better to simplify than multiply. Why it's much better? Because if you multiply at the beginning, your answer could be very big, so it could be difficult for you to simplify. So it's much easy for you. Simplify, then multiply. Then after that, I'm going to multiply up by up, down by down, and find my answer. So now, simplifying by the cross way, 15 and 5 are together in table 5. Divide by 5 up and down. 15 divided by 5, which is 3. 5 divided by 5, which is 1. Then multiply, up times up, down times down. 3 times 3, 1 times 1, 9 over 1, which is 9. Letter B, 5 over 7 times 2. I'm going to make it 2 over 1. Then I will ask myself, is 7 and 2 together in any timetable? No, because 7 is not even, so I don't have another choice except multiplying up by up and down by down. 5 times 2, 7 times 1, 10 over 7, and I cannot simplify more. 5 over 9 times 18 over 1. Okay, the cross way. 9 and 18 are together in table 9, so I'm going to divide both by 9. 9 divided by 9, which is 1. 18 divided by 9, which is 2. Then multiplication. 5 times 2, 1 times 1, 10 over 1, which is 10. 30 times 7 over 10, make the 30 over 1. 30 and 10 are together in table 10, so I'm going to divide it by 10, up and down. 30 divided by 10, which is 3. 10 divided by 10, which is 1. So 3 times 7, which is 21, and 1 times 1, which is 1. So 21 over 1, which is 21. 1 over 8 times 48 over 1. 8 and 48 are together in table 8. Divide both by 8. 8 divided by 8, which is 1. 48 divided by 8, which is 6. Multiplying 1 times 6 over 1 times 1, which is 6 over 1, which is 6. Question number 2, multiplying a given fraction by a given fraction. 3 over 8 times 7 over 9. Is 8 and 7 together in any timetable? No. So let's check 3 and 9. Yes, they are together in table 3, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3, which is 1. 9 divided by 3, which is 3. 1 times 7 over 8 times 3, so it's going to give me 7 over 24, and this is my final answer. 3 over 4 times 1 over 2. Let's check. 2 and 3, they are prime numbers, so they are not together in any timetable. So I don't have a choice except multiplying up by up and down by down. So it's going to be 3 times 1 over 4 times 2, 3 over 8, and this is my final answer. 14 over 28 and 3 over 6. Okay, let's check. Is 3 and 28 together in any timetable? No. So let's check in another way. 6 and 14, they are together in a timetable? Yes, they are both even, so they are together in table 2. طيب, I have another way. Let's check, is 14 and 28 together in any timetable? Yes, they are in table 14. So I can divide up and down this time by the 14. So it's not a must that every time I have to simplify by the crossing way. So now 14 divided 14, which is 1, 28 divided by 14, which is 2. Let's check. 3 and 6 are together. Yes, they are in table 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 up and down. 3 divided by 3, which is 1. 6 divided by 3, which is 2. What's left up? 1 times 1. What's left down? 2 times 2. So it's going to give me 1 over 4. 12 over 35 times 7 over 6. Okay, let's try our cross way. 35 and 7 are together in table 7. So I can multiply, I can divide both by 7. 6 and 12 are together in table 6. So I'm going to divide both by 6. 12 divided by 6, which is 2. 6 divided by 6, which is 1. 35 and 7 are together in table 7. Divided by 7, 5. Divided by 7, 1. What's left? Up. 2 times 1, down. 5 times 1, so it's going to give me 2 over 5. E, 5 over 3 times 3 over 5. Okay, let's remember together that we said when I have this form, up and down are same, up and down are same, so I'm crossing them together, which will give me a whole 1. When I multiply any fraction with its reciprocal, which we are going to take in the division, it gives me 1. Okay, let's check. Simplifying in the crossing way. 5 and 5 are together in table 5. 3 and 3 are together in table 3. Okay. 5 divided by 5, which is 1. 5 divided by 5, which is 1. 3 divided by 3, which is 1. 3 divided by 3, which is 1. What's left up and down is 1s, so the final is 1. Next, this time I'm going to multiply a mixed number by a fraction. First, I have to change the mixed number to an improper fraction. As we took from grade 4, how? I'm going to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1, which is 5. So it's going to be 5 over 2 times 8 over 9, and then I'm going to follow the same steps. 2 and 8 are together in table 2, so I'm going to divide both by 2. 2 divided by 2, which is 1. 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Let's check. Is 5 and 9 together in any timetable? No. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 4, 1 times 9. So it's going to give me 20 over 9. Okay. Question B. The same. I'm going to change my mixed numbers to improper fraction and then starting my multiplication. 2 times 7, which is 14, plus 1, 15 over 2, times 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 2, which is 12 over 5. Let's check. 2 and 12 are together in table 2, divided by 2, which was 1, 12 divided by 2, which is 6. 15 and 5 are together in table 5, divided by 5, which is 3, divided by 5, which is 1. What's left up? 3 times 6. What's left down? 1 times 1. So my final answer is 18 over 1, which is 18. 2 and 1 over 4. 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1, 9. So it's going to be 9 over 4 times 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 1, 4 over 3. Let's simplify in the crossing way. 4 and 4 are together in table 4. 3 and 9 are together in table 3. Divided by 3, it's going to give me 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 4 and 4 are together in table 4. Divided by 4 up and down, which will give me 1 up and 1 down. Finally, 3 times 1, which is 3. 1 times 1, which is 1. So the final is 3 over 1, which is 3. D. 5 times 4, which is 20, plus 1, which is 21 over 4. 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1, which is 10 over 3. Let's check. 4 and 10 are together in table 2. They are even both. So I'm going to divide by 2 up and down. 4 divided by 2, which is 2. 10 divided by 2, which is 5. 21 and 3 are together in table 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 up and down. 21 divided by 3, which is 7. 3 divided by 3, which is 1. What's left up is 7 and 5. What's left down is 2 and 1. My final answer is 35 over 2. Finally, 3 1 over 2. Changing to an improper fraction, I will say 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1, 7 over 2, times 4 over 9. Is 7 and 9 together in any timetable? No. So 2 and 4 are together in table 2. Divide by 2 up and down. 4 divided by 2, which is 2. 2 divided by 2, which is 1. What's left up? 7 times 2. Down 1 times 9. So it's gonna be 14 over 9. Thank you.